is the oldest
That's
and
terrifying.
largest continuously operating cableway cranes.
So I just went to the Hoover Dam, one of America's great places. The first place I went was this big massive bridge right outside of the dam. It was hellaciously crowded, and this gentleman decided he did not need a shirt. It was like 60 degrees. The bridge was named after two men. They had this strange picture of Mike OCallaghan that I couldn't really get over. He has this strange look on his face, and he is scribbling around the desk. And the bridge was really high off the ground. In fact, if you are afraid of heights, the Hoover Dam might not be for you.
Oh, that's really high. Oh my god.
As I looked around, I realized there were many places where you could definitely fall to your death or get severely injured.
People have been treating this like a little wishing pond.
There's a lot of things I didn't really understand about this strange place situated in between these two rocks and water. Here's a tube that goes up into the rocks for some reason. Strangely cryptic artwork with Native Americans on it and something about nation building. And I'm still not sure if this is a real person or not.
Looks very real. Just waiting for him to blink. Jeez.
I noticed that most of the buildings were closed too, which was kind of disappointing because I wanted to go in everywhere.
Ooh, what's in here?
It's a golden door.
It is a golden door. Oh, it smells like a bathroom in here. Oh, it's literally just a bathroom. Okay. It was a bathroom.
But what do you do as a tourist at the Hoover Dam? They don't really need you there. The thing does its stuff with the people working it. So you just end up looking down. But at what? The magnificence of nature? Or how we built a big structure like this in the middle of it? Or maybe for me, looking out there, I realize we're really tiny, really little babies. Nature is so much bigger than us, and we're just lucky to be able to witness this in the short moment that we are here on this earth. There's something sort of frightening, but also very special about that. And that's kind of a nice thing to feel. And people seem to get really touchy-feely out here. So what do you do after that? Well, you go get a Dam gift and some Dam ice cream.
Get a Dam New Orleans City mug, some Dam coffee mugs, or some Dam hats, and you can try them on. Some Dam pottery, Dam letters, some Dam Christmas stuff. Ooh, Dam candy.
And there's some Dam ice cream. All in all, this was a great trip to the Hoover Dam. I've never been before, and yeah, it was cool. Also kind of depressing to see the water level getting lower and lower. But that's reality for you. The world's changing. Anyways, if you like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think. These are fun for me. They're just kind of journaling out loud. So, appreciate you watching. And if you made it to the end, gold star.
Well, that was a interesting way to spend a day. It only took me like an hour to get here. So now I guess I'm gonna go home.